2019 Lincoln MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, fog lights, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows, security system, trip computer, compass, rear window defroster, brake assist, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.